Hey guys, welcome back. So as you see here, I have a big old pile of mulch, and we just had this mulch delivered. And this is part of our whole lasagna gardening method, if you will, or our no-till method for the most part. So I've got a lot of work to do here in getting this mulch, excuse me, and getting most of this mulch inside, and it will get spread out over our bed. So to give you an example here, is that this is where we've spread out most of the fertilizer or from the chicken coop floor. So as you see here, there's a little bed right here. Here's another bed. And we've spread out the fertilizer. And you see here in the yard other piles of what looks like straw. And most of that came from the it came from the chicken coop. So part of what we will be doing here is taking this stuff and putting some mulch. So I'm gonna come in with the mulch, and the mulch will be the final layer on top once we spread a lot of this out. And what the mulch does is it helps keep moisture in, and it keeps weeds down. So we'll be planting, for the most part, kind of deep into this mulch, but we'll have maybe an inch or two layer over top of the bed. So once we kind of spread the bed out a little bit more, we'll show you what it looks like with a layer of mulch on top of this. And then we're going to get to planting. We do have some stuff planted in some of the beds, like sugar snap peas and things of that nature. There's some radish here. We have things planted that, quite frankly, need to be thinned out. Say, for example, there's some rows here that need to be thinned out. And as my back feels better, I'll do that, or maybe I'll try to convince my wife to do that because her back is a lot better than mine. But this is what I will be spending as much time as my back allows doing, getting as much mulch into here as possible to get ready for the growing season. So you all have a good one, and we'll show you more as we make progress of how we do this. But for now, have a good one and get out there and get some projects done.